Men are so fake with it. They love to be boys, and then as soon as you're a boy back, and you're like, yeah, you could come. I'm like, yeah, you could come over for 2 hours and leave. I don't give a. That's perfect. Or I'm like, oh, you can't sleep over. I'm busy in the morning. Like, as soon as you start being a boy back, they don't want you anymore. But they're allowed to be a boy. Bitch, what if I'm horny and just want to chill too? Like. But it's not cool when girls do it. Only boys can be boys. No, thank you. I'm a feminist. Team Female FBoy 2021. Follow my lead, people. Follow my lead.
Yeah, everybody follow her lead and go and make videos sitting on a toilet. But that's your modern woman right there, your feminist. She wants to be a feminist and an F-boy at the same time. We've seen this over and over again. Modern women are delusional. Modern women are confused. Modern women, they want to be men. They've grown up with the anything you can do, I can do better. I can do everything better than you commercials. And they've been applying that in their real lives, attempting to compete with men for everything. And now you have this one right here. She wants to compete with the F-boys. She's calling men F-boys when they don't want her to spend the night over their house. And then instead of getting a clue and realizing they are not that into her, she decides she's gonna call them an F-boy and she's gonna say, I'm gonna be one better than you. Always having to get one up. And that's what modern women do. They play games. Since she's unable to get the attention and the results that she wanted from Brad, she's deciding that she's going to get mad, further displaying her masculine energy, which is one of the reasons why he don't want her in the first place. The same could also be said for this woman right here. She's single, looking for love, and of course, she's not the reason why she can't keep a man, according to her. Before we get into a special thank you to John R. I appreciate you, John, for all of your support. Take a second to make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Click the notification bell for updates. If you're new, include new subscriber in your comment below, and I'm going to try my best to respond to all of you. Not going to waste any time here. Let's go ahead and get into it.
And here we are again. My name is Jordan Jackson. We are here with Looking for Love. We're with the beautiful, tell them what your name is.
LaCherry.
LaCherry.
Yes.
We're here with LaCherry, and when my producers told me that you were looking for love, I was like, ain't no way in the hell. Yeah. This beautiful woman right here is looking for love, but the producer said they are rest assured that you are. Can you tell me why is it so hard for a beautiful queen like yourself to find a man right here in Atlanta?
I feel like there are too many men that are wanting more than one of like me.
Oh, they want 3 or 4, 5 dimes.
That part. Yeah.
I'll tell you what it really is. It's too many women running around Atlanta with the same Magic City uniform on. And because you're wearing the Magic City uniform, and I'm not just talking about clothes, I'm talking about the whole look. The biker boy tattoos, the big old thigh tats, tattoos all down your arm. For the most part, you are going to attract a certain type of guy. And that man, he's going to want to be in your company as well as 10 other Magic City uniform wearers at the same time. And ladies, when you just carry yourself as a fun girl, you're going to be played with. You're not going to get respected the way you want to be. So if you look like Magic City, you carry yourself like Magic City, you will be treated accordingly. Also, for the young ladies out there, if you think that the back tats and the thigh tats on the ladies of the night like Cardi B or Black China, if you thought that stuff was cute, think again. Do not get these tattoos. And of course, you're gonna have women that say, it's okay, you can get all the tattoos you want. I have a tattoo and my husband is cool with it. This is not for you. In fact, this whole conversation isn't for you. This conversation is for women who want to have better results. And in order to increase your chances of having better results, you should not be wearing the Cardi B Black China uniform. Don't do it. If you want men like Tyga and Offset for the rest of your life, then fine. Do you, go ahead. But if that's not what you want, don't keep making it harder for yourself. You want a good quality man? Well, most good quality men do not want women with tattoo sleeves and thigh tats and chest tats and all these tattoos all over the place.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So, what do you do for a living, and what do you bring to the table if a man was to get you as their queen?
I own my own business.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, a couple of them. So I would bring to the table money.
So you got your own money, so you ain't no gold digger. Ain't nothing about you.
I don't need your paper. No.
Wow, you don't need got your own paper. You know, a lot of men really can't handle a beautiful queen that can provide for herself. Have you found that to be a problem, out here? Is that why you're still looking for love?
No. As I just said, I have my own businesses, so I don't need a man to take care of me.
All right, so
what
what
it
do you...
is, men are more so, they're scared of a woman that's independent.
Wow.
And they have their own. They don't know how to handle that. They're like, okay, hold on. I need to do this for you, but if you can't, that's a problem.
Ladies, please understand that men are not scared of you because you have your own money. Having your own business, having your own money, that's just fine for you, but it does not matter to the man. He could care less about how much money you make. The problem is when those women who are successful, whenever they get some money, their attitudes change. They're less cooperative. They become more of a witch. They're harder to get along with. They're impossible to communicate with. It's the aggressive masculine behavior. That's what's turning men off from you. They're not scared of you. They're not intimidated by you. It is not your money. It's not your business. It's not your degree. It's your attitude.
So,
I like to have one up,
One
or
up.
two, or
Okay.
three, shall you say. My number's 3, so.
Not 1 up, not 2 up, 3 up.
so what type of man are you looking for? What does the man have to bring to the table if he's trying to be into your kingdom?
I would say I need you to be strong, already have your career, not a job,
Okay, nice.
and just be willing to, hey, let's go. Let's see where we can go to the top. More so off of what I already have and what you have is what I would say.
All right, now Kenny, does it matter if he's got, too many kids, kids, is that a deal breaker?
I'm not
or-
worried about kids, not at all.
Okay.
They have their own mothers. I'm not coming in as a stepmom now.
Okay, you ain't finna raise no kids.
No, I'm not going to
basically.
raise nobody. I hope
Okay.
they're already grown, but, we can see.
All right, well, look.
The interviewer was asking her what a guy needed to do to be in her kingdom. All I can say is that this is all wrong. And the simping has got to stop. For the guys out there, if you find yourself simping for women like this or thirsting, you gotta get it together. It's a bad look. So if you need some SIMPTERVENTION or if you want to stay simp-free, click the link below in the description. I got something coming for you, and if you want to be the first to know about it, definitely click that link because this is just way out of control. The woman on here, she's looking for love. She's approached by a lot of different men. All of them are playing games with her. That's because she presents herself as a fun girl. She's thinking that it's about her money or the business, but it's more so about her attitude. Another thing I want to point out is that women like this, they're usually hard to deal with for a long period of time because every man that comes around, he's just trying to have a good time. He's not interested in being around for a long time. If you want to see this original video and you also want to get her IG, go ahead and click the link below. Shout out to Dark Power, Laren, and John R. I appreciate all of you for your support. Want to see more content like this? You can support the channel as well. Links to PayPal and Cash App are below. Ladies, fellas, want a balanced analysis, want the truth from a woman's perspective? Then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like and share.